Okay, one of the things I'm going to ask you to do today is to explore a couple of concepts by using your online textbook. Where you will access your online textbook is through the SSO portal, your single sign-on portal that we use to get to everything. The SAVVAS or SAVVAS, is your online textbook. So when you click on it, now mine's going to look a little different from yours. I have 3 different classes. You have one, well, most of us have one science class. And your cover for your book is a B. So this SAVVAS Realize is where you can go to access your online textbook. You can look through the textbook itself, or you can do what you're assigned to do. Now, I've got a couple of interactives that I want you to look at. I'm just going to pull up one of those for us to look at right now. I'm just going to pick a class. We're all doing the same thing. So the one I'm going to pick right now is this one, this interactive. And again, mine is going to look a little different from yours. So this is on gene linkage and gene maps. Now, one thing that you'll notice about these is that there are different slides. So you've got to go from one slide to the next. Now, I know it might be tempting, since I'm not there to look at you and hover over your shoulder, is for you to just go from slide to slide to slide. The problem with that is if you don't take the required action from each slide, then you don't get credit for it. So with this one, there's a place for you to type in an answer. If you don't type in an answer, you're not going to get credit for it. So when I go back to look at these, I can look at a glance to see if you've done what you were supposed to do on each slide. So for this one, slide number 3, it asks you to circle some things. Well, over here are your tools that you use to circle things. I like to use this little drawing tool, and I like blue. Oh, but it asked for red. Never mind. So it doesn't matter what I like. And it says circle in red the 2 genes that are closest together. Well, I'm not going to do that for you, but this is kind of sort of how you circle. Put it back on the cursor and move along. So if I don't do what I'm supposed to do, the required action on each slide, then I'm not going to get credit for it. So make sure you do that.